A depressing fact is, 98% of the new automation channels are failing already because the market is saturated, competition is extremely high, and most channels are simply trying to be copycats of those big channels like Economics Explained, The Truth Is, Magnates Media, Moon Reel, Aperture, and so on.
That's why it might seem the golden days of YouTube automation are gone. However, that's absolutely wrong, and in this video I will tell you why. Plus, at the end of this video, I will also share with you 5 invaluable tips for your YouTube growth from my personal experience on YouTube.
Take a look at this channel, Nolan Parker. This channel started just 3 months ago, and now it's already getting more than 94 million views with 1.7 million subscribers. The owner of this channel already has many other successful YouTube automation channels in different niches, and you can read all the success stories on his Twitter handle.
So what if we told you that the future of YouTube holds even more dynamic, efficient, and automated potential? The main reason behind this is the availability of a special factor that many thought would take away our jobs. However, in reality, the opposite happened. We have got more new opportunities to make our earnings 2x, 3x, or 5x with the least amount of effort.
This special factor is the AI. On YouTube, AI is taking the lead by automating many aspects of content creation.
Imagine having an AI tool that can come up with video ideas based on current trends, design eye-catching thumbnails, and suggest attention-grabbing video titles for your audience. This means creators can spend less time brainstorming and more time making high-quality content that really connects with people. Additionally, automation tools are using more data to give creators insights about their channel's performance, viewer behaviors, and the effectiveness of their content, which will help creators make smarter decisions to improve and expand their content reach.
Furthermore, automation tools are connecting with other platforms like social media schedulers and analytics tools. So this will give content creators a single place to manage their online presence, making their work easier and more efficient.
The future of YouTube lies in hyper-precise audience targeting, using data-driven insights to understand their audience's preferences, interests, and behaviors. This leads to content that resonates deeply with viewers, increasing engagement, shares, and subscriber numbers.
Understanding your audience and video performance is essential for growth. Automation tools provide detailed analytics, highlighting which videos resonate, where viewers drop off, and the sources of traffic.
In YouTube videos too, first impressions matter, and thumbnails play a significant role in attracting clicks. The AI enhances thumbnail creation by analyzing video content and suggesting eye-catching thumbnails. One of the best options to facilitate the thumbnail creation is by using Pixel's AI. You can try it for free using the link in the description.
Collaborations are a great way to expand reach and tap into new audiences. Automation streamlines this process by connecting creators with similar content styles and audience demographics, making collaboration outreach smoother and more efficient.
Last but far from least, automation is set to revolutionize how creators monetize their content. AI can identify sponsorship opportunities and suggest affiliate products, guiding creators in making strategic decisions that perfectly align with their brand and target audience.
Future advancements in YouTube automation will transform the entire platform by changing how content is made, shared, and enjoyed.
For creators, automation will help creators do more with less effort, giving them extra time for creativity, planning, and connecting with their audience on a personal level.
For audiences, viewers will benefit from personalized content suggestions, better video accessibility through automatic captions and translations, and improved interaction with creators. This year, many have entered the YouTube automation arena, successfully monetizing their channels. Just remember, diversification is key to financial success in YouTube automation. Beyond ad revenue, channels leverage sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding, spreading risk and enhancing profitability. Strategies for monetization are diverse and continually evolving, reflecting the dynamic nature of digital content creation.
Scalability amplifies the allure of YouTube automation, enabling creators to manage multiple channels concurrently. With a global audience at their fingertips, creators can expand into new niches and cultivate diverse viewer bases, multiplying their earning potential and fostering sustainable growth.
YouTube's global reach extends creators' influence across borders, fostering connections with audiences worldwide. This expansive reach not only broadens monetization opportunities, but also enriches content through diverse cultural perspectives.
A successful YouTube channel transcends mere profitability, emerging as a valuable digital asset that can be sold or inherited, securing long-term financial returns or a lasting legacy.
Age-neutral success characterizes the YouTube automation landscape, welcoming creators of all ages to capitalize on their content without prejudice or limitation.
Minimal hardware requirements alleviate overhead costs, ensuring streamlined operations and facilitating a focus on content creation rather than logistical hurdles.
Direct salesmanship is unnecessary in faceless YouTube automation, liberating creators from traditional sales tactics while prioritizing content quality and viewer engagement.
YouTube's prominence in search results underscores its integral role in the digital ecosystem, aligning with user preferences for video content and ensuring continued relevance in evolving online landscapes.
As a flexible side hustle, YouTube automation complements existing income streams without necessitating a full-time commitment, making it an ideal avenue for entrepreneurial pursuits.
The accessible learning curve of YouTube automation empowers aspiring creators to quickly grasp its fundamentals, leveraging intuitive tools for content creation and strategic growth.
With a relatively swift path to profitability, typically within months rather than years, YouTube automation promises expedited financial rewards for those dedicated to honing their craft and engaging their audience effectively.
YouTube is evolving with automation, reshaping content creation, consumption, and interaction. This shift promises greater milestones for creators and enhances viewer experience. Navigating these changes requires composure, staying true to creative vision, and strategic automation. This ensures creators continue crafting compelling content that resonates globally. In the end, as I promised, here I will share with you 5 valuable tips for the new creators. Align automation with your channel's objectives. Choose automation tools based on features, costs, ratings, and compatibility. Begin with automating a few tasks and expand gradually. Regularly assess automation's impact and adjust for optimal results. Use automation to enhance creativity, personalize interactions, and foster stronger viewer connections.
So, what are your thoughts on the future of YouTube automation?
Thanks for watching.